Okay, me too. Alright, so basically circle is right at the top of this hill to the right, the south. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yep. Alright, I see him. Do you want to set up to take them when they peek out? Yep. Yep. Alright, I'm scoped in. Alright. Yep. Jesus Christ, I can't hit a damn thing with this gun. Yep. They're gonna come look out the windows. You see them? Alright, because I just saw somebody shut the door. Alright, watch our backs. Yep, right side. Shit, they're down at the bottom of my hill. Got him. You're dead? Shit. Shit. Oh, baby. Chicken dinner. Woo! 7 kill chicken, I'll take it. Jesus. Hey, keeping your record going, man.